Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb. Today we're going to be making a cowboy potato soup. We're going to start by grounding 1 pound of hamburger. After your hamburger is done cooking, you're going to want to drain out the fat. Okay, now the hamburger is cooked and it's drained. Okay, then we're going to be adding our potatoes, which is 5 or 6 chopped potatoes, okay? And then we're going to go in with, if you like onion, throw in 1 small chopped onion. Okay, then 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese or whatever cream cheese that you have. I cut mine up in little squares. We're going to throw those right in there. And then we're going in with some beef broth. You can cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours or low, 6 to 8. I cut my potatoes, here, let me show you, like not so big. Yeah, I did not cut them so big. I just want them done. Okay, we're gonna give that a stir. So we got our cream cheese, our onions, our potatoes, and our pound of hamburger that is cooked. Okay, I got my crock pot on high because I'm going to cook mine a little bit faster. Okay, and we're going to see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, friends, and now I have taken 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, half a cup of water, and I mix that up. Okay, pour in, stir. Okay, and you just let that sit for a little bit. Okay, I will be back in 10 minutes, and that should be a little bit more thicker. Okay, we are done now. Give it a nice little stir. It did thicken up just a little bit. I did not add any salt and pepper in this, so if you would like to add salt and pepper to yours, you go ahead. And maybe if you wanted to add to some garlic and onion powder, you can do so also. Just gonna add a little bit. Put the lid back on it. And what I want to do, bacon bits on top. Okay. I don't know. What do you think about sour cream? Adding sour cream in it. Let me check and see if I got sour cream. Okay, so I didn't see sour cream in the refrigerator, but there's some days where you just got to be a little crazy, and trust me with this. Cottage cheese. Put some cottage cheese in there, just a spoon. So now we got some bacon bits and some cottage cheese. Making sure we get all of it, and some of that hamburger. We need some of that hamburger too. Now this is crazy hot, so I'm going to have to blow on it for just a little bit. This is awesome. You have really got to try this. This is good. And here in Iowa, it's a little bit chilly, so This soup is just fitting in with the weather. This will definitely warm us up. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe. And remember, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.